feeling the warmth wane in your relationship, longing for the days when his eyes lit up at the sight of you. You're not alone. In this guide, we'll unveil 15 time-tested strategies to rekindle that fire and make him ache for your presence once more. Whether you're in the midst of a relationship rut or seeking to win back your ex-beau, these proven techniques will reignite the passion and have him yearning for you like never before. So let's embark on this journey together and set those sparks flying once again. Number 1. Stop calling or texting him. Picture this. You're constantly buzzing his phone, flooding his inbox with messages, but amidst the noise, he never gets the chance to miss you. Sound familiar? It's time to hit pause on the constant communication and let silence speak volumes. Give him the space to wonder why you're not reaching out, and let anticipation build as he longs for your presence. Number 2. Wait before returning his calls or texts. We've all been there, that rush of excitement when his name pops up on your screen, urging you to reply in an instant. But if you want him to ache for your attention, resist the urge to respond immediately. Let him stew in anticipation, craving your response with every passing moment. Number 3. Limit social media posts. In a world dominated by digital connections, it's easy to feel like we're never truly apart. But by dialing back on your social media presence, you'll leave him hungry for glimpses into your world. Keep him guessing, longing to uncover the details of your life beyond the screen. Number 4. End the conversation first. There's power in leaving him hanging, yearning for more. By taking the initiative to end conversations before he does, you'll linger in his thoughts long after the call ends. Keep him guessing, craving the next opportunity to connect with you. Number 5. Find a signature scent. Harness the undeniable link between scent and memory to leave an indelible mark on his mind. Whether it's a subtle perfume or a hint of your favorite fragrance, let him associate your scent with feelings of warmth and longing. Soon, he'll find himself yearning for your presence, if only to catch a whiff of that familiar aroma. Number 6. Be mysterious and surprising. In a world where transparency reigns supreme, there's allure in the unknown. Keep him on his toes by revealing facets of yourself gradually, like pieces of a puzzle waiting to be solved. Surprise him with spontaneous adventures and unexpected gestures, leaving him hungry for more. Number 7. Leave things at his place. Plant subtle reminders of your presence in his space, like breadcrumbs leading him back to you. Whether it's a forgotten sweater or a trinket tucked away in his drawer, let these mementos serve as constant reminders of the bond you share. Number 8. Leave him wanting more. Whether it's a stolen kiss or a shared laugh, always leave him craving more. Set boundaries during your time together and resist the urge to overstay your welcome. By creating a sense of longing, you'll keep him coming back for more. Number 9. Create space between you. They say absence makes the heart grow fonder, and it couldn't be truer in matters of the heart. By carving out time for yourself, you'll give him the opportunity to miss your presence in his life. Invest in your own interests and passions, allowing him to yearn for the connection you share. Number 10. Go out with friends. Show him the vibrant life you lead outside of your relationship by spending time with your friends. Let him see the joy and laughter you bring to those around you, leaving him eager to be a part of your world once more. Number 11. Highlight your independence on social media. Use your online presence to showcase the life you lead beyond your relationship. Share glimpses of your adventures and accomplishments, reinforcing the idea that you're a force to be reckoned with on your own. Number 12. Give yourself a makeover. Transform your look and reignite his desire with a newfound confidence. Whether it's a bold new hairstyle or a killer outfit that accentuates your best features, let your outer beauty reflect the inner radiance that makes you irresistible to him. Number 13. Make him see how special you are. Flirt with him subtly and remind him of the unique qualities that set you apart. Whether it's your quick wit or your infectious laugh, let him see the myriad reasons why he fell for you in the first place. Number 14. switch to straightforward communication. Once you've reignited his longing, it's time to lay your cards on the table. Be honest about your feelings and intentions, steering clear of games and manipulation. By communicating openly, you'll pave the way for a deeper connection built on trust and authenticity. Number 15. Avoid manipulation. While the temptation to play games may be strong, true love cannot be manufactured. Focus on your own growth and happiness, trusting that he'll come to his own realizations in due time. Remember, the strongest bonds are forged in honesty and genuine affection. Conclusion: by weaving these 15 strategies into the fabric of your relationship, you'll reignite the spark and leave him yearning for your presence once more. Whether you're looking to rekindle the flame or win back his heart, these proven techniques will set the stage for a love that burns brighter than ever before. So go ahead, give them a try and watch as the flames of passion are reignited once more.